This is going to be the tutorial for Painting in the Rain chorus. Painting in the rain, walking in slow motion, trying to catch a moving train. Y, so your hand slides off and it goes to the Y letter, into the K, which is like a peace sign but with a thumb in the middle. We, O, and then D. Just is a flick of the wrist. Dull is push down. A little. Pain, your fingers are pointed towards each other evenly and you're going to twist. Joining and parade, you're going to have 4 individuals and 4 behind them, and they're going to march forward a couple of times and the other one's going to walk the other way. It's like, so it's not a shake, but a side to side. Painting in the rain. Fighting, so you have 2 fingers and they're just going to toggle back and forth like they're arguing. 4 is finger at the head or the temple, and you're going to kind of hook out and forward. Difference, your fingers are going to cross and then come apart. But we never, so you have that we again, we, and never is across the neck and then down by your side. Want, and then change, you're going to kind of have your hands like this with your thumbs up and they're going to come together, and then twist. On right foot lifted, you're going to use the letter R and you're going to slide it to the right, and then you're going to go to your right leg and lift it off the ground like you're trying to take a step. And then for the next one, on left foot chain, you're going to make an L and move to the left, and this time you're going to make the same as joining. And instead of lifting your leg off the floor, you're going to attempt to, but your toes will never leave the ground, so kind of like you're chained down. And your fingers are going to go and hit the top of your thigh. And then eyes wide open, so make sure your eyes get wider. Butt is the fingers crossed and then open again. Deny, you're going to have your 2 thumbs, they're going to come from the bottom of your chin and pull forward. And then we have that we again. And then C, you're going to come from your eyes forward. Now we have the we might as well. So you're going to go might as well. So we're really saying maybe we should go ahead. And then you'll have your painting in the rain again. Now on this one, the rain part goes slower, so you're going to do the first part when he says it because he repeats it. You're going to do with either your left or your right, doesn't matter which one. You're going to hit that one on the beats. It's 4 times, then you're going to switch hands and do it with the next one. Think of it as rain, as bear claws, or well, yeah, basically as bear claws, and you are like hitting the top of a piano is how I say it. Don't flick your fingers, don't wiggle your fingers. If you wiggle your fingers, you just changed our rain to snow. Don't do side to side. I get some that do that. That then changes our rain to monster. So it's just hits. Okay. So you have one hand do it, have the other hand do it, and then together. And that's all the chorus is. You can do as little as you want. You can try doing the whole thing, and I'll use the best parts in the video. Remember, if you can get any other individuals in the video with you, that would be great. I think having multiple generations in this video is going to be very strong. And when you submit your video, if you can use a black and white filter, I'm trying to have the entire video as black and white. Thank you.